On this episode, we're talking about whether or not there's any more bank-owned properties, and if we have a private showing for your house, do I want you to leave?
You ask real estate questions, and I answer them. This is the Ask Daniel Los Angeles Show.
Welcome everybody to episode 23 of the Ask Daniel Los Angeles Show. Let's get started.
Arthur asks, do I have to leave when a buyer is touring my property, or can I stay?
If you're selling your home, please leave when there's a private showing. The last thing the buyer wants is you just breathing down their necks, walking through the house with them. They can't be open and honest and say what they like and they don't like. They don't want to know that in 1985 you replaced the baseboards. They don't care about any of that stuff. They just want to go there, take a look at the property, and if they like it, trust me, they're going to put an offer in on it. So you being there is not a benefit. So you should go take a walk around the block, go do your shopping at the market, do whatever you got to do, but get out of the house when there's a private showing.
Lauren asks, are there any more bank-owned properties?
Every now and then we see a bank-owned property, but it's very rare. And even when you do see the bank-owned property, they're still priced, very competitive with the rest of the market. So there's no heavy discount on them. Before, back in 2009, 10, yeah, you got some great deals on bank-owned properties, but that's because, 50% of the market was either bank-owned or short sale, so everybody was getting deals. But now, there's no incentive, no reason for the bank to put it super low. They just put it where it's worth. So there's bank-owned properties out there. Nothing special about them, though.
Robin asks, I don't want to do any repairs to my home before selling. Can I sell it the way it is, even though it's not in the best shape?
You don't have to do any repairs to your property. In fact, we can tell the buyers up front that if they want to purchase this home, they're going to have to do so without getting any repairs done by you or giving any credits towards doing any repairs. If you want to be hard-lined like that, you can do it. You're going to attract less buyers because a lot of buyers get scared off with language like that. But that's completely up to you if you want to do it that way. It's going to be less headaches for you, that's for sure, because you already know that whatever price that you get, that's the money you're going to end up with. You're not going to have to give that buyer a $20,000 credit towards anything. You're telling them up front, this is how it is, take it or leave it.
Seth asks, just got an offer on my house. When does escrow officially begin?
So just because you got an offer on the house doesn't mean that you've opened up escrow. You have to have a fully executed contract. That's where they sign it on all the dotted lines, you sign on all the dotted lines, and once that is complete, that's called a fully executed contract. That is when the escrow period begins. So in the contract, if it says 30-day escrow, that is when day one begins, and you got 30 days to close escrow. So when you got the offer, really has nothing to do with it. It's all about when everything is signed and fully executed. That is it for episode 23 of the Ask Daniel Los Angeles Show. FlexibleCommissionListing.com. Check that out if you want to see the fees that we charge to sell your property. You keep asking real estate questions, and I'll keep answering them.